Working with directories. Using ln command, we are working with the directories by assigning the soft links and hard links. We'll know more by using these. It's nothing but you may observe it. There is a shortcuts while using the Windows desktop. There might be the folder or file. Inside the folders somewhere is there the main folder may have 3 or 4 directory insides. Going the directories, after that there is a directory, the file where we are going to accessing, and regularly we need to open by passing this directories one by one and accessing. In such way, most of the users, they may create a shortcut key, the link on desktop. Whenever the shortcut button is clicked, the link will pass to the file and the file will automatically opens. Likewise, here also the facility of creating of the shortcuts, we'll call it as, here it is called it as soft link and hard links. First we will start with the session of soft links. Soft links using ln command, it's also called symbolic links, also called as symbolic links. Files or directories, we can assign a simple path setting for flexible and self-documenting. The basic syntax of this is source ln and space -s, source and link, which link we want to click and that to open the main file. Likewise, see here for the demonstration I have given you a simple example over here. For example, I have a folder of home. Under the home there is a user folder, admin or any of your name of the user. And open the folder, there is a documents are there or files. Under the documents there is a test folder is there, and again there is a folder number 1550, the directory number. There is a file number 1. That file I want to access on every time in internal purpose when I am at user place at user home. I am making a link directly when I am in the user home page. It will be the file 1, I want to be file 1 to be visible. Directly from there I can access it. How can it possible to create a link of a soft link? Simply there is a command ln space -s. -s indicates soft link creating. And here you will see that the path should be like a source where the file is exactly. The file completes the location of the folder or file. We have to mention at the first place, and space, there is a link where we require, like a home, username and file 1. That's it. And it can be visible once you enter the ls command, that shortcut of this file 1 will be visible at the same place of home at username, or you specify wherever you require with your accessing privileges place. Now we will see hard link, files only and less flexible and not for self-documenting. Most of the users, they may always try to use the soft link only, whereas the hard link is the one of the facility and option is available. We will discuss it now. Without having -s, rest of the thing is same. It is called directly hard link. See, ln space the complete path of the file space the link where it's required. That's it. Hence it will make it as a hard link of the particular file where you want to open. Try to practice with your terminal. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.